Okay, this is my Enhancement 6 project. And as you can see, I have my account showing right here. And I'll just go ahead and log in with an account of level 1. Okay, and then it takes me to the admin PHP and displays the information. And I did the extra credit, so now I'll just try to go into the vehicles controller while not being an admin, and it just redirects me to the home because that is not allowed. Okay, and then I'll log out and then log in as an admin. And I always have to copy this. Okay, and then it takes me here and it's displaying the manage vehicles on there, and it's showing that I'm level 3. And it has log out. And then it will take me here. It still shows log out. If I go home, it says log out. So yeah, and then if I just try to get there here, since I'm an admin, it will take me here. So I'm just trying to check if that's everything I need to show. Okay, so going back to the admin page, this is the only way I know how to check if it's valid HTML. So I don't know, because I couldn't get that extension going on my Visual Studio Code. So if maybe I can do it this way. I don't know. If I go here, it's not going to bring it up. And I think that was part of the enhancement, was to get it so that the HTML wouldn't show up that way, but that's the only way I really know how to get it to validate. So yeah, I did try this way as well. Oh, and it worked. Okay, well there's my valid HTML. Earlier I tried to do it that way and it said it couldn't get into the document. So, well, there it is. It's valid. Okay, thanks for watching my video.